Now we're gonna pop the hood. JD, pop your hood. I don't know how to do yours. Alright,
Yours looks so better.
what are we doing? It's so bad. I'm gonna do mine now. This looks so much better.
Your neighbor's probably like,
Wait, I don't want to go there.
that ain't my truck, so I can't do that.